AI tools are for everyone, even if you're not a tech genius. Start small and learn as you go. AI can spot trends and patterns humans easily miss. Boomers shouldn't miss out. AI can seriously upgrade your retirement portfolio. Save time, boost profits. AI automates research and analysis, giving you a major edge. Find resources you trust. Dig into reputable websites, courses, and communities. Invest with a conscience. Support AI companies that are ethical and responsible. AI can rebalance your portfolio, send alerts, and streamline analysis, freeing up your time. I'm ready to invest in AI, but where do I even start? Buy all the big tech stocks. Hire an AI advisor. Code my own AI bot. Explore AI tools and strategies. Thanks for viewing. Feel like he's in this bitch, don't get me started.